Okay, I received a message from my beautiful sister who was asking me how long does it take to finally have a date for your driving test after you're done with your lessons. And I replied that according to my knowledge, when you are done with your driving lessons and you feel ready, there is no need for you to wait. You can book and proceed with the driving test, which will be in two divisions, the yard test and also the road test. And she also replied that she's asking because it's been 2 months and people are rounding around. And I asked her which driving school is she with. She just mentioned the location of a driving school, which makes me understand that because of she commented under a video that I uploaded from a driving school, that means she's referring to that driving school. So I said to her, these are my numbers. Let's talk on WhatsApp. Let me see if I can contact them on your behalf and find out what is the problem. If she is not ready, then they will tell that because of she's not ready. If there is things that they're still sorting out, then they can give an explanation. And also, I'm giving her my numbers so that we can talk and maybe she can tell me and I can understand maybe what are they actually saying when they reply to her. And because of I've been that side and I've got contact of those gentlemen, I can easily, WhatsApp them and ask what is the problem so that, we can sort out that problem. That's the power of communication. That's the power of, these beautiful networks whereby you can easily post a video and somebody can send a message and you can reply to that person and find out what is actually the problem, because sometimes the problem might be a minor problem. It is just there is so much emotions between maybe the two people, the driving school person or maybe the instructor on the other side and her as a client. So since I'm the person who goes to different driving schools, then I can easily be the middleman and see how we can sort out that problem. And also I will be looking deep into if she already paid for the truck and if she already fully paid for everything which is supposed to be paid off, simply because of there is places where they can charge you as a package whereby you can pay for everything, so you will rely on them to book for you. But if you haven't paid for everything, you can go and book by yourself and also hire their truck. And if they cannot help you with hiring a truck, you can also have the right to go somewhere and hire a truck somewhere and go and do your yard test. I'm still going to talk with her, but I think I should make a video talking specific about that so that if there is people who are also experiencing the same thing, they will know how they can solve that problem. I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. Thank you.